Yo, what is going on everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today we are here at Drayton Manor for the final vlog of the main season. It's come around too quick, hasn't it?
It definitely has. I mean, like you say, we do have a few extra vlogs on the end, like for the Christmas events, but like you say, a lot of the rides aren't really open for them, so the last main one, where all the rides are open, apart from Store Force 10.
This today. And then next week we've got the last vlog of the main season at Alton Towers as well, so obviously, yeah, like me, so we've still got the Christmas events, but a part of the main season, like obviously that's today where all the rides are open. So we're here for the Fireworks Spooktacular. So other years it has been called Fireworks Extravaganza, however they've sort of continued the Halloween on this year and called it Fireworks Spooktacular. So there is like still Halloween entertainment on. I got a clip of the entertainment in Thomas Land as well as we walk through the entrance. So they're sort of continuing on a little bit, aren't they, the Halloween?
Yeah, I mean, I think the
keeping that going.
It is like
still is October and it still hasn't been actually Halloween night. So
30th of October, so it's pretty close to Halloween, I'd say.
Yeah, definitely. So the fireworks is on obviously later. So until then, we're just gonna catch some entertainment and then basically get on all the rides, aren't we, for the final time of the season?
I mean, it might be a bit busy today because I did check their Facebook and they have sold out tickets for today.
It is a sellout event, so I don't think I've ever been to Drayton Manor actually on a sellout day. Normally it's pretty quiet, isn't it?
It is usually pretty quiet when you come here, but like you say, everyone's getting themselves down for fireworks, so just do it one day, one big boom, and I can't wait to see it.
That's it. We've never actually seen the fireworks at Drayton Manor either. We just normally go to Alton Towers, don't we?
Yeah, usually. I mean, you do a very good job at Alton Towers, so.
So looking forward to seeing the display later. But until then, I think we're gonna get on some rides, aren't we? So should we start off on Shockwave?
Yeah, we'll head over there.
Head over there in Adventure Cove.
Hopefully the queues aren't too long.
Yeah, hopefully. And then we'll also check the times on the entertainment and hopefully catch a bit of that as well. Nice ride there on Shockwave. I mean, it always is like a little bit rough, but actually today I didn't find it as bad as normal.
I didn't find it as bad as normal, but I think that might be my body warmer because it felt like it filled the seat out a bit more.
Filled it out a bit more.
So it didn't really shake me about. So I was quite happy because usually you come off it and like got a bit of concussion, you know, just whacked my head about 10 times. But come on, I've just come off that and
not too bad.
I feel like I can go straight back on it. But we're not.
Yeah.
Not got time for that.
So we checked the fireworks, didn't we? That they actually commence at 6 PM. For 10 minutes. And then I think afterwards they're just going to open up the Vikings area for like rides in the dark. Because the park today was open 10:30 till 7. But yeah, it's been quite windy actually today so far. Hasn't it?
We're hoping the weather.
And now you just feel it starting to rain a little bit, so hopefully it holds off.
It does look a bit cloudy.
But we are going to get on Maelstrom now. We just come off Maelstrom. Literally got absolutely soaked because it completely downpoured when we was on it, and obviously while we was waiting we did have to wait a few circuits, so not ideal. However, we are going to get on Accelerator now.
I don't feel too bad when it was actually on it. Like, we thought it might ruin the ride experience a little bit because it was raining quite a lot, but when it was actually on it didn't really feel like it was raining that much at all, so it didn't
too bad,
really
was it?
affect us that much.
So let's get on Accelerator and get some more rides done while actually the weather stopped.
And the queues, like I say, the queues seem to have dropped off a bit, so we can get as many done before they come back.
Good ride on Accelerator there. So now we're going to check out some of the entertainment what's coming on, because I think the last showing for this first show is on at 2 o'clock.
And it is almost 2 o'clock now.
It is almost, yeah, about 10 to. So that's Top and Hat's Spooktacular Party. I mean, I think there's like a trick or treat show and something else. So, oh yeah, there's a final show right at the end, which has only got one showing. So it's like the sort of farewell show before like the fireworks starts. So I think that's at 4 p.m. So I'm gonna go and check out some entertainment now and get some clips of that, and then see if we watch them all straight after one another, depending on when that middle one's on really. But we'll head over to Thomasland now and get some entertainment in.
Via Rusty and Dusty.
Happy Halloween, everybody!
Now, guys, can we see some of your scary faces? Come on!
Oh,
Hey!
very scary. Now, shake your bones like a skeleton.
Whoa, that is great! Sing along with us. Here we go. Down in Thomasland where everyone goes. There's a spooky dinky skeleton shaking his bones. He shakes them over here and he shakes them over there. That's the way he shakes his bones. Hey!
Halloween, and you know it.
Show your fangs! Woo-hoo! It's Halloween and you know it. Be a ghost! Woo-hoo! It's Halloween and you know it. Be a ghost! Woo-hoo! It's Halloween and you know it. And you really want to show it. It's Halloween and you know it. Be a ghost! Woo-hoo!
It's Halloween and you know it, let's all scream! It's Halloween and you know it, let's all scream! It's Halloween and you know it, and you really want to show it! It's Halloween and you know it, let's all scream!
It's Halloween and you know it. And you really want to show it. It's Halloween and you know it. Let's all scream! Yeah! Shake your bones to the left. Shake your bones to the right. Show your scary teeth and give us a fright. Be Dracula or Frankenstein. Scare your friends, it's Halloween time. Shake your bones to the left. Shake your bones to the right. Show your scary teeth and give us a fright. Be Dracula or Frankenstein. Scare your friends, it's Halloween time.
So that was Top and Hat's Spectacular Halloween Party. Poor Dusty kept getting splattered with those cream pies there, didn't he?
He definitely did. I mean, he was quite lucky, I have to say. But, you know, in the end, I won't spoil it, but something did happen, and you can probably guess what it is.
But yeah, I got plenty of clips actually. Like, there's always a bit of story actually to the ones in Thomasland, as well as like sort of singing and dancing as well. And they always put like their own spin on things, don't they? Like change words of, like make their own songs, or sometimes they change the words of some of the songs like to their own. So
Yeah, I do
it's
quite like it.
always very good in it, the entertainment in Thomasland, to be honest.
I do quite like it, like you say. So it's always like similar, the same actors doing it. But yeah, they like create their own show out of it, and they're about 15 minutes, so it's not too bad considering they've got a few different shows on as well. As you can see, they've put the effort in.
Definitely. For now, I think we're going to go into Vikings, hopefully get a couple of rides in there, and then come back for the show, aren't we?
Yeah. Hopefully it's not too busy in Vikings, but we've done, like you say, done quite a few.
It's not been too bad so far, has it? Like the queues.
The queues haven't been too
been pretty
bad, so.
straight on most of the time.
Yeah, considering it's a sold out event.
Exactly, yeah.
Thomasland's probably busy. It did look quite busy when I was in there just.
So we'll head over to Vikings.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Let me see you just bounce it with me, just bounce with me. Just
Rusty and Dusty, best friends you'll see. Have a dance, everyone. Rusty and Dusty, best friends you'll see. Rusty and Dusty, orange green, the best of friends that you've ever seen.
Ice cream, ice cream. I like lots of ice cream. I don't like bread and I don't like jam. I don't like kippers and I don't like ham. I want some for my breakfast. I want some for my tea. So if you've got some ice cream, then give it to me. was supposed to go all over you. I was supposed to go all over me. You what?
Did I say that out loud?
I think you might have.
I think I might have as well. Oh, do you know what? I'm going to get cleaned up.
Good idea. Mash.
Come on, everybody, it's Halloween tomorrow. Shake your bones like a skeleton, that's it. And down we go. I'll be alright.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to go. We've had a lot of fun, but it's the end of the show. Sad to say we gotta walk away, but everybody knows we've had a wonderful day. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you again. So come back soon to be with Thomas and friends.
Right, so we went on 4, and then we went to get food actually, because we soon realised that the trick or treat wasn't a show.
Yeah.
We went to Thomas Land, didn't we? And
We did.
They were just handing out sweets and stuff. So yeah, we soon realised that wasn't a show. So we went and got food, and then if you're wondering what we had for food, Maze is going to tell you right now.
Food acquired, and what I mean by food is we've got a 12.5-inch garlic bread.
There we are.
Oh, lovely.
At the Safari restaurant.
Safari restaurant. So that's a garlic bread, and then we have a 12.5-inch again. That's a nice grilled chicken pizza. How lovely does that look?
And I've gone for a Vimto. And what have you gone for?
And I've just gone for a Coke Zero.
So we had that, literally had half of it, ran down to the last show, didn't we?
Yeah.
Which was the fantastic Goodbye show, which actually was the same show as, I think it is like sort of all year round, is it?
Yeah.
It was definitely on at
We've seen it
Easter,
before.
but we have seen it before,
They've
so
Yeah.
they just sort of, well, they were sort of talking about Halloween and stuff in it, but
Yeah.
it was the same songs and stuff. So poor Dusty, was it?
Yeah.
He just
He's
kept.
not very
He
good,
tried.
is
He tried to get the ice cream on Sir Topham Hat, but just didn't happen, did it?
No.
Ended up going all over him. But
Probably
he
would have
did
been
get
in a bit
rusty
of
in the
trouble
end.
if he did get it on Sir Topham Hat though. He seems like a very respectable man.
He does, to be fair. So we, but he did get rusty in the end, didn't he?
Yeah.
But yeah, so nothing really much more to say about that show. We have seen it before, but now we have literally just finished food. That's why we sat down. So we had our garlic bread, and then come over here, and then just finish it off now, the pizza. So I think we're just gonna get on some more rides now before the fireworks.
Yeah. I have to say, it has dropped off a bit now. It's quite cold.
It has gone pretty cold. Like my hands are actually freezing now. So yeah, definitely got a bit cold, but we're gonna go and get some more rides and then watch the fireworks for 6 o'clock. So we only actually managed to get on wave swinging before the end because it did break down and then it got us off and we had to wait again. But now it's time for the fireworks Spooktacular. So it's going to be interesting to see this because obviously normally just is the Extravaganza, but I think they're putting in some Halloween elements and stuff this year with it being the Spooktacular. So looking forward to it. So let's get over by the lake and watch the fireworks.
Watch the show.
Hello?
Hello.
Who is this?
You tell me your name, I'll tell you mine.
I don't think so.
What's that noise?
Popcorn.
You making popcorn?
Well, I'm getting ready to watch a video.
Really? What?
Oh, just some scary movie.
I was working in the lab late one night, and my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from the slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash.
This is a warning to all living mortals that whosoever opens this chest of demons will release 13 of the most terrifying ghosts upon the face of the earth.
Yeah, I know, Dracula's daughter. Everyone freaks out at first.
So that was a fireworks spooktacular. It went on for about 10 minutes into it. It's pretty much bang on 10 minutes to be fair.
It was.
I got the whole display and I'll put it in the vlog as well. But that was a brilliant show, weren't it? Let's just be honest.
It was. I mean, I sort of know why they put the spookiness in there. Like, 'cause we had a bit of all sorts. We had a bit of Monster Mash, a bit of like a scary movie, and
Yeah,
all
so
sorts.
I did like how they incorporated like Halloween into it with, like, obviously you had the scary movie or Scream at the start,
Yeah.
and then they put like Scooby-Doo in and stuff like
and
that.
the Addams Family.
The Addams Family, and then they put obviously sort of some Halloween classics on as well. So very good, very good. I actually
Yeah.
really enjoyed that.
But I mean, to be honest, I think the display sort of just speaks for itself. It is a good display.
Yeah, definitely. You can make your own opinion out of it. And probably some of you might even be here today. So, but yeah, gotta say that was amazing, weren't it? Really.
It was. Good display.
I know it was only like 10 minutes, like, but in 10 minutes, like, they didn't stop. They just did the whole display.
Yeah.
Just basically
Fireworks. There wasn't
constantly
any,
getting.
like, breaks.
There wasn't breaks. Yeah, they were constantly sending them up, wasn't they? So, no complaints for that one. Definitely worth coming, like, just to sort of see that really. But now things have reopened. We're not actually sure if everything has, but everyone seems to be sort of everywhere.
Yeah.
So
I think maybe everything has reopened.
maybe quite a lot of things have opened, or everything. But we're gonna hopefully get probably one more ride in before we go. See you all at the end when the park closes. Mosey, gonna say bye to Apocalypse.
Oh yeah.
Last
well,
ride's
that's it.
taking place right now.
So it's gone 2000 until 2022. For 22 years, but you know, all good things must come to an end, and that's what's happening here. It's a very sad day, you know, but as we're watching the last few rides take place on Apocalypse, you know, just have to say rest in peace.
And that's it, rest in peace Apocalypse, final rides taking place. Well, that does conclude Drayton Manor's last day of the main season. So that was a fireworks spectacular. Obviously we have reviewed the fireworks already. Very, very good. And we finished off on a ride on Loki and got to see some of Apocalypse's final rides as well. Obviously that had quite a big queue actually, because obviously everyone went to that for its final ride. So yeah, sad day actually for the UK theme park industry. Yeah, it's an iconic ride to be fair. But that is it now until we come to Magical Christmas. And obviously next week we have Alton Towers' final day of the main season for their fireworks display. So can't wait to get to that next week. So as always, if you all did enjoy, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you all so very much for watching. we'll see you all next week at Alton Towers for fireworks.